Good morning, good morning, good morning, and welcome back to Glamma J's channel. It's the life stories of Glamma J. And today is going to be a unique vlog. Today is Tuesday, and it's like we're exploring with Glamma J. I'm going to go back to when I had gone to Delaware. The sad thing is I wasn't even thinking of today. I wasn't preparing myself today, so I didn't make any video. But I do have photos. So I'm going to do like a slideshow of when I was visiting there. It was a very, very enjoyable time when I had gone to Delaware. I hadn't seen DJ, my son, forever. I missed his graduation due to the accident, and that really killed me. It was hard because he's my baby, and I lost that opportunity due to someone else's texting and driving. So going to Delaware was a beautiful, beautiful experience. I didn't know what to expect. I flew into Dallas. No? Yeah, maybe I think I flew into Dallas, and then I flew into Philadelphia. The people there in Philly were wonderful. Beautiful, wonderful. The customer service was fantastic. I thought, oh my gosh. I mean, this is just like, it was great. So then my son came in and got me in Philly and then drove us back to where they're living in Delaware. In that 5 days staying there, I had learned what blue crab dip was. I learned welcome back. It's the Hernandez Fur Babies show today. It's Soul and Blues talking to each other again. I also learned, you know what? One of my bucket lists was to see the ocean, the West Coast and the East Coast. Now I had gone to Delaware and I saw the Gulf. I mean, not like a bay, so I didn't see the ocean. And that was one of my things that I really, really wanted to do. It was before I go, and that was a dream. Well, I was able to accomplish that dream with my son and his beautiful girlfriend and their family. And Camino's family is wonderful, wonderful. John and Candy brought me into their home and allowed me to stay there, and they made me feel like I wasn't a guest, like I was family. I was able to meet a beautiful lady, Nancy, who is Rachel's father's mom, and her grandfather, and also an uncle. And I had gone to church, and he is a priest, and that was Father Anthony was just remarkable. He's a remarkable man. So I really, really enjoyed it. Like I stated, I saw the ocean. I was able to try the blue crab dip. It was amazing. And the thing that was so special is that on Father's Day, they had a big, big feast. And they had the Italian meatballs and the meat and the sauce or the gravy and the pasta and hey. They had also fresh crab. Hey. I mean, caught that day. Hey. Hold on. Okay, it's Tuesday, and yeah. The babies are in their corners now. Come on. So then, it's Luna. You know how I talk about, that's Luna, this is my Luna. Say hello, Luna. Say hello. She's my baby. You are. I know. So when we had the dinner, the Italian dinner on Father's Day, they also had fresh crab. And I never knew how to open up a crab, so it was such a gift, a privilege. It was just beautiful to have the family sit around and hear them talk, and because I haven't had that for ever, ever. And I was missing that. So they, Father Anthony brought some wine from Italy, or the wine was brought from Italy. So I was able to have a nice glass of red wine. It was so good, so good. And so if you see a bottle on there, that is the bottle that was brought from Italy. That was, oh my gosh. And you showed some pictures on there. You'll see, you'll see. Enjoy, and I'll be back. And please enjoy the video. Is when Glam and Jay went to Delaware to see her wonderful son and Rachel's beautiful family, the Camino family. I love you. Enjoy. you enjoyed that little slideshow that I put together of when I was visiting. I forgot to tell you, you know, we had gone, you took me to different outlets. I wish we had the outlets that they had there here. Oh my goodness, I loved it. There was one with Christmas, and you saw the trees. It was, yeah, I was in heaven. I'm thinking, that's what I'm going to do. My glam room, my femden is going to be Christmas 365. It's just like that therapy. It just makes me feel good. And me flying in, me leaving, it was tough. It was really, really tough. But the thing is that I was able to have the most remarkable conversation with my son. I think it was like 4 hours long in the middle of the night. And I was able to hear him. I was able to listen to him. And that was the most best gift I could ever receive. Ever. Ever. So, yeah. There'll be more videos. And now I know, today, with me doing this, is I will have the camera so you guys can see more video than just slideshow. So please have a beautiful day. Thank you for coming by. If you enjoyed this, and if you enjoy the other videos or the other channels, subscribe, enjoy, please. It's not, this is for you to laugh. It's for you to say, I just want to have a good 5 minutes and just enjoy my time. Quiet time. So yeah, I think Luna's right here. I don't know if you see her. Let me show Luna. Luna's still with me. Here's my Luna. My baby, my baby, my baby. Are you my baby? Can you say goodbye? I'm gonna say goodbye. Say it. It makes mommy cry when she sees those things. It does. Like, mommy, you're just so emotional. You're just so emotional. Say, oh my goodness, mommy, it's okay. Mommy, it's okay. DJ, you'll see DJ again. You'll see DJ. Yes, yes, we'll get him out here. Yes. Yeah. So, thank you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you. Have a beautiful day. Enjoy your day. You deserve it. You really, really deserve it. You've been given this life. It's a gift. Treasure it. Always. Look, Lemon J. You good?